So today I show you how to replace the battery on the key fob. First you pull out that key here, you have to press the button, pull out that key. Then you have to, either you have a strong finger get in here, or you use a screwdriver get in here. Break it open, you have to pull it a bit until it's out. Then you see here the battery, which says CR2450. Then you have here a little knob where you can go in with a screwdriver and pull it out a little bit. Now the battery is out, now you can replace it. So then you put the new one back in. You can close it again, make sure this knob goes in here. Press it down, go in here. That's it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Have a good day.